They're heading down.
For Heather Burke,
Fast.
living with multiple sclerosis means simply taking a step can require a lot of concentration. When she got news that her next step is stem cell replacement therapy,
I looked at my phone and was like, oh, this is real and this is happening. And then, you know, the tears came and it was like, I'm going to get my life back. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be able to take care of my children again.
Tickle, and then maybe a little push.
the mother of two will soon travel from Florida to Chicago for a multi-step stem cell therapy that could stop her disease from progressing. Dr. Richard Burt and his team at Northwestern Memorial Hospital will use Heather's stem cells to reset her immune system. He was in Chicago when we spoke to him via satellite.
And it regenerates a new immune system that ends up in the process of doing that, developing tolerance to self, which puts the disease in remission.
Burt has been performing the experimental procedure since 2008. He sees only 7% of patients relapse and says insurance companies are willing to pay for the therapy.
The majority of the time, insurance does pay. Many of the major carriers pay. Medicare pays. Medicaid in the state of Illinois pays. It's a rare carrier that doesn't.
Heather says her insurance will cover all of the $150,000 procedure. Consider that a bargain. Heather is on 19 medications, all for her MS. One of them costs her insurance company $200,000 a year.
Keep your right foot on your toes.
Burt says the therapy is best for patients like Heather with relapsing remitting MS, the kind that keeps on getting worse.
You're in fear every day. What's going to happen to me tomorrow? How bad is it going to be? Is it going to be something that leaves me in a wheelchair? Is it going to be something that leaves me unable to feed myself? Is it going to be permanent?
We can use this to get into the position.
Even though 90% of MS patients have the relapsing remitting form of the disease, Heather says few people know about Burt's procedure. When she found out that she'd been approved for the stem cell therapy,
It was just everything that I've been hoping for like the last month.
she hopes by sharing her journey, others will know they can take the step too. Dana J., Fox 35 News.
And Dr. Burt's trial is undergoing peer review and trials are ongoing. The doctor says that process continues and people hear stories like Heather's. He expects that MS patients will gradually become more aware of how that procedure can help them.